Students, today discuss about the trigonometry. What is the trigonometry? Trigonometry. Tri means three. Gono means sides, measurements. Metry means measurements. Three sides or measurements in right angle triangle. Students, I have taken the ABC triangle. Here at B is the 90 degrees. This is right angle triangle. Here remaining angles, sum of the acute angles and 90, total 180 there. So angle A, angle C, both are acute angles. What is acute angles? So whichever angle have below 90 degrees, that is a acute angle. Now what is a trigonometry? Here it is the study about the relation between sides and angles of right angle triangle. That is called trigonometry. So it is study about the relation between sides and angles of triangle. That is called trigonometry. Here study of the AB side, BC side, AC side, and angles of triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. That is called angles of triangle. Now students, here next one we are learning about trigonometry ratio. What is the trigonometry ratio? The ratio of sides of right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Here the ratio of sides of right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Students, the ratio of the AB side, BC side, AC side, the ratio of the sides of the right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles, angle A and angle C. Now students, how to write the trigonometry ratio? Now students, how to write the trigonometry ratio? Here trigonometry ratio, here students, angle ABC. Here students, the longest side from this triangle, that hypotenuse side. So now students, here consider to the angle C, which are touching this angle, which are adjust this angle, that is adjacent side. Once again, angle C, consider to the angle C. This angle C is adjacent side. Now consider to the angle C, which are opposite side. This angle is opposite to the side, that is opposite side. Once again, longest side from this triangle, hypotenuse, which are angle touching the side, adjacent side, which are angle have opposite side, that is opposite side. Whenever students, I have to consider to the angle A touching the side, angle A adjacent side, that is adjacent side. touching the side, that is adjacent side. Opposite of the angle A, that is opposite side. Okay. So whenever consider to the angle C, adjacent side, opposite side, hypotenuse. Now we should write a trigonometry ratio. For example, students, here sine of angle A, sine of angle A, we should write sine A. Here the reciprocal of the sine A, we will be write another one. The reciprocal of the sine A, we will write cosec A. Here students, next cos of angle A, with consider to the angle A, cos of angle A, we should write cos A. The reciprocal of the cos A, we will write another one, secant A or sec A. Next tan of angle A, we should write tan A. The reciprocal of the tan A, we will write cot A. Okay. Students, here sin A equal to sin A whenever considered to the angle A. For example, I have to take the whenever considered to the C, sin C, sin of angle C, sin C, sin of cos of angle C, cos C, tan of angle C, tan C. Here sin C we should write, consider to the sin C, we should write opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sides is AB by AC. AC. Cos C, consider to the C. Here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. We should write adjacent side BC by AC. Next tan C. Tan C equal to, tan C we should write sin C by cos C. We will be write sin C by cos C. Sin C value opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Here students, hypotenuse both are cancelled. Opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. This is a tan C. Is it clear, students? Now one example problem there, students. For example, tan A equal to 3 by 4. Here examiner will ask the questions sometimes like this one. Tan A equal to 3 by 4. Tan A equal to 3 by 4. Then find the other trigonometry ratio. Then find the other trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. Students, tan A value given. So examiner sometimes ask the question this type of tan A equal to 3 by 4. Then find the other trigonometric ratio. Here students, I have to take the ABC, C angle there, tan A value. We know tan A value is the, tan A means opposite side by adjacent side. Tan A equal to, here tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is value 3 by 4. Opposite side Consider to the angle A. Here given A. Consider to the angle A, which are adjacent side. Which are adjacent, that is adjacent side. This is adjacent side. Which are angle opposite, that is opposite side. Okay, here opposite side is value 3. Here adjacent angle value 4 there. Here AB value 4 given, BC value 3 given. Then find the AC value. We know, students, Pythagoras theorem. We know that Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent side square. So hypotenuse square equal to, so opposite side value 3 square plus adjacent value 4 square. That is the value. 3 square value 9, 4 square value 4 4 ja 16. Hypotenuse square. Here total value, hypotenuse square equal to 9 plus 16 25. Then square transport to the right side. What will happen? Hypotenuse square equal to square root of 25. What is the value? 25 root 5. Root 25 5 value. Hypotenuse value have 5 there. 3 values there now. Hypotenuse given, opposite given, adjacent given. Find the trigonometry ratio. Another one. We know, students, sin A value opposite side 3 by hypotenuse value 5. Cos A value adjacent side 4, hypotenuse value 5. This is a sometimes examiner will type up these questions are rising. Okay, for example, students, in this place, for example, cos A value 3 by 4. Then find the other trigonometry ratio. Same scenario, same situations. Write like this one. So very much important, trigonometry ratio. What is the trigonometry ratio? The ratio of the sides of the right angle triangle with respect to the acute angles. Is it clear, students?